King of Swing. Can I request Mr. Wasim Akram to please come on stage? Mr. Gaurav Kalia, Masterman, and Rashid Khan. Gaurav Kalia and Masterman. Wasim Bhai is truly a legend, undisputed, the best all-rounder that we have seen in my view. Wasim Bhai, I request you to stay on stage for us. I'll take over. Please. Thank you.
Right.
Mr. Nicky Arthur, can I request you to come on stage and receive your shield from Ahmed and myself.
मिकी आर्थर को आज़ादी शील्ड पेश की जा रही है पाकिस्तान बिजनेस काउंसिल के ऑफिशियल्स की तरफ से। मिकी आर्थर जो कि हेड कोच हैं कराची किंग्स के, मिस्टर सलमान इकबाल यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, वसीम अकरम यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं।
Can I now request Mr. Salman Iqbal and Mushikani to present a few shields forward? Mr. Imran Amin, can you please come and receive the shield? Our proud platinum sponsor, Muslim.
पाकिस्तान बिजनेस काउंसिल की तरफ से कराची किंग्स की पूरी टीम को के एजाज़ में एक शाइए का इंतज़ाम किया गया है।
And I would like to request Mr. Imran to present a small token of our appreciation to Wasim Bhai for being Wasim Bhai. There is gift hampers as well, which will be sent and handed over to the whole team management. So those are there as well. Thank you so much. Thank you, Amila and Amanda, thank you so much. No, we'll continue with the presentation. Shamshir Ali Saab, Rao, Salman Bhai, and Mahmood, can you please present the token? Thank you so much. And I will request
Yes, sir.
to present the check and token of appreciation to Mickey Arthur.
यार कैसे
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Rao. Thank you so much. Rizwan Surya and Suhail. Salman and Mushikani will present the shield for the gold sponsorship. Ladies and gentlemen, a little bit of applause would be really helpful. This is for you, Rizwan. Wait. I would like to request Mr. Jawad Ali, Sikandar Ali, Bendan, Muhammad Amir, and Abrar Ahmed to come on stage and receive their token of appreciation from Rizwan and Suhail. Can you please come on stage, guys? Thank you so much. Jaho Ali, Sikandar Ali, Bendan, Muhammad Amir, Abrar Ahmed. Jai. we'll make sure to send this check to the family.
Thank you. मेरा नाम विश्वेश।
Can I request Mr. Mohammed Farooq to come on stage? Can I request Mr. Ahmed Shihani and Wasim Akram to present the shield to Mohammed Farooq for being silver sponsor? Request Muhammad Rizwan, Usama Mir, and the skipper Imad Wasim to come on stage and receive the token of appreciation from Imran. Ladies and gentlemen, the skipper. Dr. Nasser? Sir, please can I call you to the stage? Can I request Mr. Sabra Maiman, Zubair Hannan, Waleed to come on stage and receive the shield? Dr. Nasir, Wasim Akram, can I please request the shield? Thank you so much. Aaron Summer, Babar Azam, Ravi Gopara. Can you please come and receive your token of appreciation and check? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Since Muzammil is not here, can I request Mahmoud Shimani? You were waiting for you, bro. Where are you? Wasim Bhai and Dr. Nasir, can you please present the shield? Thank you so much. And I now request Mr. Munir Majwani to come on stage. Can I request Mr. Mickey Arthur and Farhan Majan to present the shield to him? Thank you. Omar Khan, Amir Yameen. Omar Khan.
I haven't announced my name.
Yeah, it's
Unless
for the ideal. For ideal.
This is the wrong one. आप ले लें एक ही शीट बार-बार यूज करते Umar Khan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Next is Junaid Ahmed, Aidul Munjal Singh, presented by Vicky Arthur and Purapada. This time it's right. Yeah, this is right. Sorry about that. He gave extra 1,000 for double publicity. Can I request Ali Imran and the hero of yesterday, Colin Ingram, to come on stage? What a performance! Absolute gem.
For you, Colin.
The gift hamper from Cool and Cool will be provided straight to you guys later. And obviously, Isha for the sponsors there. Mr. Mubashir Hussain of Casper. I hope you're prepared for this one. Vicky Arthur and Prabhat. Yes. And can I also request Liam Livingstone and Usman Shinwari to come on stage to receive their token of appreciation from Mubashir. Liam is not here? Okay. Usman Shinwari, is he here? Yeah, he is. Can I please request everybody to take their seats? We'll just